Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to be making a few crafts to set up a miniature Super Bowl party for the dolls. I'm going to start by making the Chiefs jersey. I'm starting with this red fabric and I'm going to use this kin shirt as a pattern. I'm going to trace around it and cut it out. Now I need to make a slit down the back of the shirt, and I made mine a little off-centered so when it overlapped it would line up in the center. I'm going to pin the front and the back together and sew the sides and the shoulders together. Next I'm going to hem the bottom and the neck of the shirt. I ironed everything because my material wanted to roll up on the edges. I cut out 2 rectangles for the sleeves and am going to sew the ends together and then attach them to the shirt. As you can see, my plan was to paint the stripes and the number onto the jersey, but the paint just went straight through the material. Instead, I'm going to use some white and yellow vinyl. I'm going to cut out 2 strips of the white vinyl and iron them around the sleeves of the shirt. Next, I'm going to cut a thin strip of the yellow vinyl and iron that on top of the white. Now I'm going to take a square of the white vinyl and trace out the numbers for the jersey, drawing them backwards. Now I'll do the same on yellow, but I will cut them out a little smaller. Now I'm going to place the yellow on top of the white and iron them on the jersey together. Finally, I'm going to put Velcro on the back of the shirt. The next project, I wanted to make a table runner for the bar area that looks like a football field. I have this sheet of felt and I'm going to cut a rectangle out. Now I'm going to use this chalk pencil and my ruler to draw the lines on. Next, we're going to make a centerpiece for the table. I'm starting with some poster board and drawing out a rectangle and then drawing sides and flaps onto it. I cut it out and now I'm going to use my ruler to help get clean bends on the sides. Now I'm going to glue it all together. I cut out some strips and glued them together to create an inner rectangle. Now I'm going to glue it in place with some little strips of poster board. I am cutting out small strips and will glue them on the ends to create separate little compartments inside. I did go ahead and cut out a small rectangle of the green felt and placed it in the middle of our centerpiece. Now is the fun part. I get to look through all my mini brands and other little miniature food items to fill it in. I am just taking real chips and crushing them up small to put in the other 3 compartments. Now I am going to move everything over to the dollhouse and pull out a few other little food items and drinks to complete the look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.